ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 186। 4 टाइप्स ऑफ लय: नित्य प्रलय, नैमित्तिक प्रलय, प्राकृतिक and आत्यंतिक प्रलय. They were discussed. आत्यंतिक प्रलय is moksha. Now, tasya idanim kramo nirupyate. Now, within that laya, what is the krama? What is the sequence that is being shown? Siddhika. Swasiddhantam vaktum adau nyayamatam dushayati. Before telling our own siddhanta, Vedanti is doing nyayamata khandanam. भूतानां भौतिकानां च न कारण लय क्रमेण लयः. Bhuta and Bhautika. Bhuta means Panchamahabhuta. Bhautika means
Panchika.
Bhuta and Bhautika. Bhuta means Panchamahabhuta. Bhautika means
Panchikruta Panchamahabhuta.
they are also Mahabhuta only.
Karya of Panchamahabhuta.
Karyam. Bhautika means Bhutanam idam Bhautikam. Panchamahabhuta Karya is called Bhautika. So Bhutalaya and Bhautikalaya, not Karanalaya, Karanalaya Kramena Laya, no Karanalaya Kramena Laya, Bhutanam Bhautikanam. Why? Because this is according to Nyaya. In Nyaya, Bhuta and Bhautika Laya, how their Laya takes place? Okay, in Nyaya, Karya Nasha is through Karana Nasha. Pata Nasha will happen after Tantu Nasha. Vedanti says, in our darshana, it is not like that. Not Karanalaya Kramena Bhutanam Bhautikanam Laya. Why? Karanalaya Samaye Karyanam Ashrayantara Bhavena Avasthanan Upapattehe. At the time of Karanalaya, Karyanam Ashrayantara Abhavena, Karya will not have any Ashraya if Karanalaya takes place. And therefore their avasthanam anupapattehe. They will not have any place to stay, any ashraya. Who will not have any ashraya?
Karya.
Karya will not have any ashraya. Nyaya Darshana is okay with such things. Vedanta is not. टीकानां तर्हि केन क्रमेण लय इति पृच्छति. Then by what krama there is laya? किंतु सृष्टि क्रम विपरीत क्रमेण. सृष्टि क्रम विपरीत क्रमेण लय. That krama by which there is srishti, viparita krama is the laya. According to who?
Vedanti.
See 1 number टिप्पणी. सोपानारोहण क्रम विपरीत क्रमेणैव यथावरोहणं भवति तद्वद् इत्यर्थः. सोपानारोहण क्रम. Sopanaarohanam means when you climb stairs. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, let us say. Then when you have to do avarohana. Avarohana means coming down. How will you do avarohanam? First, what will go? Where will you put your first step? 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So in the same way, if Srishti Krama is Akasha, then Vayu, then Agni, Jala, Prithvi, then Laya Krama will be Viparita Krama. Prithvi into Vayu, Prithvi into Jalam, Jalam into Agni, Agni into Vayu, Vayu into Akash, Akash into Avyakta. This is the Viparita Krama. What is wrong with the Laya that Nayayikas have proposed? Why can't the Laya be according to how they say? Karana Laya Krama. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how people, they say this way, how people come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how they should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that way you do, Karana Laya Krama Mate tu, Dvyanukam Arabhya Antyavayavi Paryantam Anek Karya Rupa Avayavaha Svikrataha. If you do Karana Laya Krama, then from Dvyanuka onwards, from Parmanu you get Dvyanuka. From Dvyanuka onwards, Triyanuka, Chaturenu, Pancharenu, like that, so many Karya Rupa Avayavas have been created. All the way up to Antya Avayavi, the last Avayavi. Avayavi, Avayavaha, Yasya Santi, iti Avayavi. The one which has Avayava is called Avayavi. Final Karya. Then, so many effects have been produced. Then when the destruction starts, so first they say, from Parmanu first came Dvyanuka, then Triyanuka. So destruction should be, first Dvyanuka should go, not the last Karya. If Dvyanuka will go, then Dvyanuka is the Karana for Triyanuka. So first Dvyanuka Nasha, then Triyanuka Nasha, then Chaturenu Nasha, then Pancharenu Nasha, then Nasha, it will keep happening all the way until the end. Then what is the problem in this kind of dissolution prakriya? Karana will go and Karya will remain. Dvyanuka is gone. Dvyanuka is Karana for Triyanuka, which is the Karana for Chaturenuka. So Karana Laya will happen first and Karya will keep continuing to exist without Karana. This is what they say. Tantu Nasha will happen, next moment Patanasha will happen. Patanasha will not happen along with Tantunasha. So Karana will remain, a Karya will remain for one Kshana after Karana Nasha. So one Kshana Dvyanuka will go, next Kshana Trayanuka will go, next Kshana Chaturenuka. So the last Avayava, let us say, has is the Karyam after so many Karana, that many Kshana it will remain. That is given. तथा च द्व्यणुक रूपस्य त्रसरेणु कारणस्य नाशेन त्रसरेणु नाश प्रक्रियायां तु द्व्यणुक नाशांतरम अनेक क्षण पर्यंतम पटस्थिति आपत्तिः द्व्यणुक रूपस्य त्रसरेणु कारणस्य त्रसरेणु कारण इज द्व्यणुक. So Dvyanuka Nashena, then which is the Karana for Trasarenu. First Dvyanuka Nasha, then Trasarenu Nasha Prakriya. Then further. In this way, Dvyanuka Nashantaram Aneka Kshana Paryantam. Pata will remain for so many Kshana. Because it is the Antyavayavi. Only then it will go. And according to them, Karana is different, Karya is different. So Karya can exist for some time without Karana. They are Arambhavadi. So this is a different thinking. In Mulam, टीका से सृष्टि क्रम विपरीत क्रमेण लय इति अनुषज्य से. अनुषज्यते न सज्य से. सृष्टि क्रम विपरीत क्रमेण लय इति अनुषज्यते. तत्र हेतुमाह. In that, what is the hetu? तत्तत् कार्यनाशे तत्तत् जनकादृष्टनाशस्यैव प्रयोजकतया उपादाननाशस्य अप्रयोजकत्वात्. In तत्तत् कार्यनाश तत्तत् जनक अदृष्टनाशस्यैव प्रयोजकतया. According to Vedanti, Karyanasha is not because of Karananasha. Because we want Karana to remain and Karya has to go. Karya will go in Karana, then that Karana will go in its own Karana, like that. So Tattat Karyanashe Tattat Janaka Adrishta Nashasyaiva Prayojakataya. Tattat Janaka Adrishta Nasha. Adrishta means all the Punyadi, because of which Karya has come into being. Anything has come, is existing because of somebody's Punya Karma, somebody's Papa Karma, and it will remain until it is capable of giving its phalam. Once that phalam is given, it will go away. Then its work is over. तत्तज्जनक अदृष्टनाशस्यैव प्रयोजकतया उपादाननाशस्य अप्रयोजकत्वात्. So upadana karana nasha is not prayojaka for what?
Karyanasha.
Karyanasha. For Karyanasha, उपादान नाश is not prayojaka. अन्यथा न्यायमते महाप्रलये पृथ्वी परमाणुगत रूपरसादेर अविनाशापत्तेः। सीटी का ही एक्सप्लेन्स अनुगतम ही प्रयोजकम प्रयोजकम अस्य तु अननुगतत्वाद् अप्रयोजकत्वम् इति आशयः। अनुगतम ही प्रयोजकम, प्रयोजक शुड बी अनुगत, अस्य तु अननुगतत्वात्, बट दिस वन इज नॉट अनुगत, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट अनुगत, इट इज नॉट प्रयोजक. What is anugata will have prayojakatvam. That which is not anugata cannot be prayojaka. Prayojaka for nasha. Karya nashasya prayojaka will not be karanasha, it will be adrishta nasha. Otherwise what will happen? Vipaksha doshamaha. Vipaksha means in nyayamata. अन्यथा न्यायमते महाप्रलये पृथ्वी परमाणुगत रूपरसादेर अविनाशापत्ते है. अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यायमत, परमाणुगत रूपरस एक्सेट्रा विनाश इज नॉट देयर, बिकॉज परमाणु नाश इज नॉट देयर. परमाणु विल रिमेन, सो तद्गत रूपरस एवरीथिंग विल रिमेन. If they don't have any upadana karana, and if you say karya nasha is only through karana nasha, pata nasha is only through tantu nasha, parmanu rupa rasa does not have any karanam. If karana is not there, its nasha will not happen. So rupa rasadehe parmanugata rupa rasa avinasha apattehe. See टीका on next page. उपादान नाशस्य प्रयोजकत्वे सृष्टिक्रम विपरीत क्रमं दर्शयति. उपादान नाश, if it is प्रयोजक, उपादान नाशस्य प्रयोजकत्वे सृष्टिक्रम विपरीत क्रमं दर्शयति. It should be upadana nashasya aprayojakatve. Anybody has a different reading? Anyway, first see the moolam on the previous page. तथा पृथिव्या अप्सु अपां तेजसी तेजसो वायौ वायोराकाशे आकाशस्य जीवाहंकारे तस्य हिरण्यगर्भाहंकारे तस्य च अविद्यायाम् इति एवं रूपा प्रलयाः. पृथिव्याः लयम् अप्सु, पृथ्वी will go into water. Apam tejasi, jal into fire. Tejaso vayo, tejasaha layo vayo. Tejasaha agni laya will be in vayu. Vayor akashe, vayu into akasha, akasha se laya into jiva ahankara. Jiva ahankara into hiranyagarbha ahankara. and they all into avidya. Tasya cha avidyayam iti evam rupaha pralayah. According to Vedanta, upadana nasha is not prayojaka. See tippani number 1 on 187. उपादान मीन्स समवाय कारण और उपादान कारण उपादान नाशात कार्य नाश दिस इज तार्किक मत इति तार्किका इफ यू फॉलो दैट देन तथात्वे महाप्रलये पृथिव्यादि परमाणुनां तन्मते नित्यत्वात् तद्गत गुणानाम अविनाशः स्यात् अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर मत महाप्रलय टाइम एट द टाइम ऑफ महाप्रलय पृथिव्यादि परमाणुनाम नित्यत्वात् देशे पृथिव्यादि परमाणु आर नित्य therefore तद्गत गुणानाम अविनाशः तद्गत गुणनाश will not happen. What was said on the previous page. अस्मन् मते तु तत्तत् कार्य जनक अदृष्ट नाशस्यैव अनुगतस्य प्रयोजकत्वेन. We don't consider कारण नाश as प्रयोजक. That's why I said here उपादान नाशस्य अप्रयोजकत्वे should be the reading. उपादान नाश is not the prayojaka according to Vedanta. According to Vedanta, prayojaka is adrishta nasha. So upadana nashasya aprayojakatve सृष्टि क्रम विपरीत क्रमम दर्शयति. सृष्टि क्रम विपरीत क्रम will be there. So okay, you upadan nashasya aprayojakatve. Upadan nasha is not prayojaka, means karana nasha is not the reason for karya nasha. So here adrishta nasha, where the jivas punya karmas are over, then prithvi nasha will happen into jala, jala into teja in this way. You can make that correction. Upadana nashasya aprayojakatve srishti krama viparita kramam darshayati tatha cha iti. Tatha cha. That was given on the previous page. This tippani we were seeing. अस्मन् मते तु तत्तत् कार्य जनक अदृष्ट नाशस्यैव अनुगतस्य प्रयोजकत्वेन. According to our mata, Vedanta mata, tatyat karya janaka adrishta nasha alone is the anugata. Adrishta nashasyeva anugatasya prayojakattvena na kapi kshati. There is no kshati. Jagat pratisthade varshe पृथिव्यप्सु प्रलीयते तेजस्यापः प्रलीयन्ते तेजो वायौ प्रलीयते वायुश्च लीयते व्योम्नि तच्चाव्यक्ते प्रलीयते अव्यक्तं पुरुषे ब्रह्मन् निष्कले संप्रलीयते. So this is given as the pramanam for this sequence of laya. See in Tika, कार्यावस्थान अनुपपत्तेः अननुगमाच्च उपादान नाशस्य अप्रयोजकतया अदृष्टनाशस्य प्रयोजकत्वे सति. कार्य अवस्थान अनुपपत्तेः. कार्य अवस्थान will not be there. Anupapatti means karya will not have anything to exist if karanasha has happened and karya is still existing. So karyavasthan anupapattehe ananugamacha. There is no anugama. Ananugamacha upadana nashasya aprayojakataya. Therefore, upadana nasha cannot be prayojaka. Ananugamat means, in the previous page Tippani we saw, where did we see ananugama? Not in Tippani, in Tika. Anugatam hi prayojakam. Prayojaka should be anugata. Anugata means it should be common for all. If you take upadana karana nasha, then it is not anugata. Not anugata means one pata has certain dvyanuka from which it started. Another pata has another set of dvyanuka from which it started. All pata will not be destroyed when some dvyanukas are destroyed. This is ananugama. But if you start from karya, all karya will go, then only karana will go. Then only its karana will go. So that is what is shown here as anugama. Karya avastha anupapattehe ananugamacha upadana nashasya aprayojakataya adrishta nashasya prayojakatve sati. When adrishta nasha takes place, then what will happen? So according to Vedanta, adrishta nasha is prayojaka and upadana nasha is aprayojaka. Hiranyagarbha ahankare mahattatve. Hiranyagarbha ahankara means mahattatva. Somebody can ask a question that nowhere it is shown that Pancha Mahabhuta Utpatti is from Jiva Ahankara. You are saying Akasha Laya. He said that in the Moolam, he said on the previous page, Akasha Laya is in Jiva Ahankara. Jiva Ahankara in Hiranyagarbha Ahankara. But Akasha Utpatti from Jiva Ahankara, where is it shown? Jiva Ahankara is Karana for Akasha? It is not said anywhere. Apanchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta is Karana for Panchikrita Panchama. That is given. So how their Laya is in Jiva Ahankara? So the answer is, from Apanchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta, the Sukshma Sharira comes. And from there, other part of the apanchikrita pancha mahabhuta undergoes panchikaranam, and that panchikaranam will produce other things, other karyam. So when it is said Prithvi laya into Jala into Teja, Vayu, Akasha, they all are panchikrita. Their laya has to happen in apanchikrita panchamahabhuta. That apanchikrita panchamahabhuta is either in Vyashti or in Samashti. So let us say total apanchikrita panchamahabhuta that was there. That total apanchikrita panchamahabhuta, some part remained as apanchikrita panchamahabhuta, rest of the part became panchikrita. So now there is no other apanchikrita remaining. Whatever apanchikrita remaining is only in the form of sukshma sharira, vyashti samashti. And so all the panchikrita panchamahabhuta has to go in vyashti apanchikrita panchamahabhuta, which in turn will go to samashti apanchikrita panchamahabhuta. So jiva ahankar means jiva sukshma sharira, vyashti sukshma sharira, vyashti sukshma sharira into samashti sukshma sharira, samashti sukshma sharira into samashti karana sharira. This is so where jiva ahankara, you should remember vyashti sukshma sharira. Hiranyagarbha ahankara means samashti sukshma sharira, and avidya means samashti karana sharira. So then sequence will be clear. Did we complete the tippani on 187? Asman mate tu tattat karya janaka adrishta nashasya anugatasya prayojakatvena na kapi kshati. According to Vedanta Mata, tattat karya janaka adrishta nasha is the anugata prayojaka. Adrishta nashasya anugatasya prayojakatvena, and therefore there is no kshati. In that, Pramanam is Vishnu Purana. These shlokas we saw in Panchikaranam, they are given here. Devarshe, some Upadesha is there to Naradji, I think. Jagat Pratishtha, Jagataha Pratishtha means Prithvi. Apsu Praliyate. Jagat Pratishtha, Prithvi, Apsu Praliyate. Its laya is in Jala. Tejasi Apaha Praliyante. Apaha Tejasi Praliyante. Waters, they get dissolved in fire. Tejo Vayu Praliyate. Teja laya happens in Vayu. Vayu Shaliyate Vyomni. Vayu laya takes place in Akasha. Tacha Avyakte Praliyate. Its laya is in Avyakta. So the Vyashti Sukshma Sharira and Samashti Sukshma Sharira is not given. You should understand in between. Then Avyakta. Avyakta means Karana Sharira. Avyaktam Purushe Brahman. Nishkale Sampraliyate. And Avyaktam in the Nishkala Purusha. Shuddha Chaitanya Sampraliyate. He Brahman. Brahman means he Brahmana, not Brahman, anything to do with Satyam Jnanam here. Tika, atra indriyadi dwara avyakte layo drashtavyaha. Laya in the avyakta is indriyadi dwara. Indriyadi dwara means through sukshma sharira. आकाशम इंद्रियेषु इंद्रियाणि तन्मात्रेषु तन्मात्राणि भूतादौ विलीयन्ते इति सुबाल उपनिषद वचनानुसारात् आकाश लय इन इंद्रिय, इंद्रिय लय इन तन्मात्रा, तन्मात्राणि भूतादौ, तन इंद्रिय मीन्स व्यष्टि सूक्ष्म शरीर, तन्मात्र मीन्स समष्टि सूक्ष्म शरीर, विच इज समष्टि अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत, तन्मात्राणि भूतादौ विलीयन्ते इति सुबाल उपनिषद वचन अनुसार. तन्मात्र here means शब्द स्पर्श रूप रसगंध, तन्मात्र. That is how he said in the beginning. इति सुबाल उपनिषद वचन अनुसार. न च इदम अप्रासंगिकम. In Tika he says this is not aprasangikam. There is no prasanga for this. This is all out of context discussion, somebody may say. He says no, it is not like that. Tad padartha lakshanastha pralaya padartha nirupanam vina tad abodhat iti ashayana aha. Tad padartha lakshanastha pralaya padartha nirupanam vina. Tad padartha, its pralaya पदार्थ निरूपणम विना तद अबोधात. एवं विध सीन मूलम एवं विध प्रलय कारणत्वम तत्पदार्थस्य ब्रह्मण तटस्थ लक्षणम. सो तत्पदार्थ लक्षण तटस्थ लक्षण is what we want to show. How will you show tatastha lakshana? Pralaya padartha nirupanam vina tadabodhat. Without showing the pralaya, you will not know the tatastha lakshana. So to complete the explanation of tatastha lakshana of Brahma, which is in tat padartha, pralaya prakriya is explained. Evam vidha pralaya karanatvam tat padarthasya brahmanas tatastha lakshana. This pralaya karanatvam will be there in tatastha lakshana of Brahma, which is the tat padartha. So pralaya karanatvam tat padarthasya. So tat padartha is pralaya karanam. That tat padartha is pralaya karanam, which is tatastha lakshana of Brahma. So what is the tatastha lakshana of Brahma? Brahma is pralaya karanam. In this way. Tika further. Nanu uktam idam tat padartha lakshanam yathartham kimva ayathartham. This tat padartha lakshanam, what you have said, is yathartha or ayathartha. Why this question? He says, Adya Brahmanaha sab prapancha ta apattihi. If you say this tat padartha lakshanam is yathartha, means it is paramarthika, Brahma will have prapancha, Brahma will become sab prapancha, Brahmanaha sab prapancha ta apattihi. Na dvitiyaha. Dvitiya is ayathartham. If it is ayathartham, then tat pratipadaka shrutyadi vakyanam apramanya apattehi. Then the tat padartha lakshana pratipadaka shruti vakya, they all will become apramanya. Apattehi iti shankate nanu. I will just read that. Nanu Vedantair Brahmani Jagat Karanatvena Pratipadyamane Sati Saprapancham Brahma Syat. Anyatha Srishti Vakyanam Apramanya Apattehe. What we already read in Tika is given here. Iti chet na. Nahi Srishti Vakyanam Srishtau Tatparyam. Kintu Advitiya Brahmani eva. This is the main thing. सृष्टि स्थिति लय प्रतिपादक वाक्य, देर प्रयोजनम और तात्पर्य इज नॉट इन सृष्टि और स्थिति लय, देर तात्पर्य इज इन ब्रह्म, अद्वितीय ब्रह्म, विच इज माय स्वरूप. सृष्टि शुड रिमाइंड मी ऑफ माई सेल्फ. This is the prayojan of discussing Srishti. We will see this in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.